Hello my friends, I'm going to do a straight pour today with Floetrol as my medium. I stay away from Floetrol generally because I have a sensitivity to it, but it's a beautiful day here in California, so I have the windows wide open and I'm giving it a go. I find cups, here we go. So today I'm using DecoArt Dazzling Metallics in Rich Espresso and Glorious Gold. I mixed those 1-to-1 with Floetrol. And oh, by the way, I strained my Floetrol to get rid of those little goobers. And I use a T-ball, yeah, I think that's what's called, strainer. And it's great because it's got very, very fine mesh to it, so it works very well. So 1-to-1 on those. DecoArt Premium Paint in Prussian Blue, and that was about 2-to-1. And Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in White and Silver, 1-to-1. So let's give it a go. I want to have a dark center, so I'm going to pour all the blue in there. Maybe I'll save a little bit. That way that'll be the last thing to come out, so I should have a dark center. I think the silver would look nice next to it, so silver. I love this rich espresso color. It's kind of a bronze, deep bronze. So I'm using 3 metallics today. Back to the rest of the Prussian blue. I got this not octagonal, hexagon shaped canvas at Hobby Lobby when I was on my little vacation. I don't have a Hobby Lobby near me, so I was really excited to go in there and find a lot of great stuff. I love square canvases and round. Not sure how I feel about this one. Probably the outcome of this pour will determine if I'm happy or not. I hope this is enough paint. I don't generally put a base coat down on a canvas. Because I'm frugal and I hate to waste paint, and I just don't really see the need for it. What do I have left? Anything? Maybe I needed to this time because I'm not sure I have enough paint here. This is a 9-ounce cup. Pour all the paint I got in there. Oh, I've got quite a bit of silver left. How that would look next to it, but most of it will get poured off anyway. There's barely a dribble. No, not worth it. Okay, I'm gonna do straight ring jiggle type pour. Here we go. No silicone. But with Floetrol, you tend to get cell-looking things. I'm not going for them, but there's no avoiding them, I don't think, when you use Floetrol. And there's my dark blue. It's pretty in the cup. Oh, crap. Excuse me. Look what I did. Oh, what a dope. Let's kind of run a palette knife through there. See if we can't disguise that. Of course, it's likely to get completely distorted anyway when I tilt it. But what not to do, huh? All right, that'll have to do. And yeah, see, this is the Floetrol kind of lacing stuff you get. And I think metallics tend to do that as well, especially when you're using Floetrol. So that's fine. I'm going to obviously bring it all here and then bring it back and see if I can't stretch that dark blue out to cover more of an area. This hexagon is an interesting shape. I should have given a little more thought to how I was going to tilt this. The only problem with the windows open is that you hear all that outdoor noise. I rather like it so far. Not this area so much, so I'm happy to sacrifice that by tilting it off. I kind of like it, I think. Have to figure out what to do with this section there in that corner. I want to preserve that blue. I think I'll go that away and come right back so I can hopefully pull it back in. So parts of it are very pretty. I would like to get rid of this straight area here. So if I run the weight down here and then bring it back, maybe I can curve it a bit. So let's try that. Get the weight back to the center. Or maybe just bringing it over that way will be sufficient. Should I risk it? I don't know. Maybe in a different orientation, I might like it as is. Scrape up some blue for that tip there out of the bottle, cup. I'm just not pleased with this section here. I think I'm going to tilt it this way and see if I can't bring this over. It just doesn't want to. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Okay. It's kind of pretty. Maybe on its own, or maybe with a little polar bear family in here in the kind of a cave looking area. Let me take my gloves off and take you down for a close-up. Yeah, I'll hit it with the torch one time here. There are some very pretty areas, I think. I like this area up there a lot. It's kind of pretty. Yeah. I'm not unhappy with it. Let me know what you think, and thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.